Welcome to our release notes recap, where I will highlight some of the brand new features you can find within Knowi this week. This release is centered around reports, new report options, features, and some enhancements. The very first thing I want to point out is a brand new reporting option for your widget instance sites. So you can configure this from the widget. We'll click on our instance sites, and we can see the instance sites that we have configured ourselves. Now we can send these, or we can send an AI generated summary. So you'll notice we have a new send tab in the instance sites. So we'll click it here and we can create new reports. And I can either have the AI look at the data and come up with some insights from what it can pick out. I can provide some context, or I can turn this off and just send the instance sites I have configured on a schedule. So it's just like any other report. You can send email, webhook, Slack, and Teams, and you can set your schedule, but it's going to send you the instance sites. Now, if we go over to our reports tab, you'll see that we have a brand new UI for creating and editing reports. It's going to slide out from the right, and you're going to notice this new option to attach widgets. So if I click here, I will see my list of widgets, and I can send it in one of three ways. I can send it as a PDF, I can send the data as a CSV, or again, I can send the insights. Now, what's important about, or what differentiates attaching a widget versus a data set, is your widget can have additional transformations within the widget C9QL or within the widget analyze. This option is going to encompass those changes you've made on your data set within that widget. So we can attach a widget. Everything else should be the same. Now, there is a new webhook option. If I create a new webhook, I can set the format. Instead of a attachment of the data set, I can send my data set via JSON. And that can be really important with how my webhook may be configured.